Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this POLONO portable printer MT800 with wireless Bluetooth. It's compatible with Android, iOS and also PC. And with a large battery of 2000 milliamps, it has long standby time of up to 26 hours and can print up to 70 sheets with continuous printing with the power and up to 45 sheets with one print ribbon. So let's open the box and see what we get. Here we get already some quick start guide, also with the QR code to download the app for mobile phone, and here in the back the remaining instructions. And so here we have this really small beautiful printer, looks absolutely stylish and it's super small. Of course it's not lightweight because we have a lot of technology here inside. It turns already on when we long press here on the top, really amazing. So with a long press we can turn it on or turn it off, as you can see. Of course, before you leave for travel, it's always recommended to give a full charge. Also before you leave, of course, make sure that you have a full printing cartridge. So we press here on both sides, then we can open the lid. So you can replace this very easy. You can just take it out like this. Make sure that everything is pretty tight when you put the new one back and align the arrow here to the front. And then we just push it down like this. It's very easy. We can close it again and are ready to print. To feed the paper, we just push it here inside into this slot, and then it feeds it directly into the printer. By the way, one really important thing, when the printer is blinking green and beeping, then it means that battery is low and you have to recharge it. But the good thing is that we can already use the printer while it's charging. You can see that we are charging it from a power bank, so you can charge it basically everywhere. And so with the QR code we can go to the website and download the app, or we can also download it from the official app store, of course. And after setting up the app with the account or using the visitor login, which I highly appreciate, we can connect to the printer here. So we are choosing the MT, and so we have it here and we can add it. And so of course we give authorization and pair. And so the printer is already added successfully. Yeah, absolutely amazing. That was super fast, and it gives also indication about the battery level of the printer. So we click on start here. We can go, for example, to the email application and open PDF. It asks directly to print with the high print. And we open that here, and of course it will inform that it's only printing black and white because this is black and white only. And so I can hit the print icon here. So let's see what happens. It gives us some information. We can choose from the density. I can hit the OK now, and it says printing. And it starts immediately, as you can see. It's even pretty fast. Yeah, absolutely amazing. So I don't have to open the printer or so. It comes out absolutely perfect, ready to be used. Of course, it's not a laser printer, it's not a DeskJet, but still it's in good quality. And a really good thing is, even when we are using some water, it doesn't smear at all. So I think this is very safe to print, safe to use, good for travel, absolutely perfect. But of course we can also print directly with the USB cable from a personal computer. We just plug it in and wait till the drivers get installed automatically. And depending on the speed of your PC, it will say device is ready after a couple of seconds or minutes. But that of course was just a basic driver. To install the real driver we have to go to the website polono.com and to the driver selection. And so we can choose either Windows or Mac. Here I'm choosing Windows. And then we do the normal installation like with any other program. As a port, in this case with the USB, I'm selecting the USB 001. And so we click on finish. And after installation we can open a document, click on printer. And here we are choosing the MT800. I click on print. And we see the printer already working. And exactly the same thing as with the mobile phone. So we can just pull it out. and everything is finished. Absolutely awesome. So we can print from the Windows computer, Mac computer, from the iPhone or Android phone. So super flexible for travel or mobile office. Absolutely awesome. So I can give you full recommendation. So I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.